Good day. It's Commander Red, and we're here to show you the latest in our Conehead design. This is our grinding Conehead. Why do you say it's a grinding Conehead? Well, in the Conehead itself hides a mysterious object. You open it up. What is that? Why? It's a grinder. Yes. So what you do, you take this, put it over to the side, fill in the grinder, close it down with your hand, grind. We're going to put that in there. As you can see, it's got serrated blades. And the best to do, first it starts going like that. Oh, take the cap on. It can go all the way down. I'm ready to tap, tap, tap into our bacon. Fill in a little bit more. No spillage. I like it. And we're good to go. Then, if you go to a friend's house, this could take you all the way. Put this on top. Close it in. Lock it. Your pot doesn't fall out. And there we go. Grinding from the... So thank you very much for watching our little demonstration. If you'd like to order one, good luck, because most people don't. But if you do, go to Tan Staffel Solutions, and we will be happy to point you in the right direction.